cake.
Chillin' every day. Chillin' every day. It's not in there.
I thought it was in here.
Ah, there it is. There's your new truck. There's your new truck.
I got a whole new truck. Yeah. Y'all the best.
Just know that Carl's been 24 hours a day. He put his sweat into this.
That's good.
It was amazing to see him.
He's not even here.
But he had fun the whole
The
time.
trash that came out. I know that came out.
Yes, I swept it out.
I know I had piles of shit that I was always falling because it was so old. It just breaks.
No, it just deteriorated.
Yeah, it deteriorated because it's so old.
I know.
Yeah.
But it was fun. The whole time, you know, Carl's working hard, staying up. I'm like, you having fun still? He's like, yeah.
He asked for it, huh?
He like, this is passion.
That's just what he likes.
No, he loves it. Like, he's so energetic. He loved it.
That's right.
I know. I was like, okay. This is what you asked for, boy. All right. It should be here. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Come on. Come on. We wanted to see you.
We want to see your reaction. Come on.
Ooh.
All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Carl's Garage. Today we're gonna be doing something cool, really cool. We got my Uncle George, my wife's uncle, his short bed Chevy truck here. We're gonna do something really cool to it. It's his work truck, so he's kind of leaving it with me. I told him, hey man, leave it with me. I think I can do some kind of cool things with it. So we're gonna be doing something cool to the wheels, maybe something cool to the grill. Definitely clean it. This thing is extremely dirty, so just stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be great. Gonna maybe add some decals and stuff like that to it. He doesn't know he's going to Austin, so when he comes back on Sunday, today's Friday, when he comes back on Sunday, his truck's gonna look totally different, and you guys get to see what I do to it. So I can't wait, so let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, guys, it's Saturday morning. I didn't get to do anything yesterday, but today we're actually gonna start the process on the truck. The first thing I need to do is get these new tires. The rear tires are extremely bald, so I'm gonna head over to my Vaqueros tire shop. Hopefully I didn't murder that name, but yeah, I'm gonna head over there, get this truck some new tires, and then you see it's raining. That's not gonna stop me, okay? That's not gonna stop me. This truck needs to get done. We're gonna bring it back to life. I can't wait. It's one of my favorite trucks. I love short bed trucks, especially short bed Chevys, short bed Dodge Rams, even the short bed F-150. But anyway, so let's go ahead, let's go get these tires, and then I gotta get all the other products and stuff like that that I need to bring this thing back to life. So I'm gonna go get the tires, probably wash it. Even though it's raining, I'm still gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna pull it into Carl's garage, and we're gonna start the process. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Boom. 387,000 miles. That would be insane if that's the miles on this truck, but I don't think so, maybe. But you can see even that's going in and out. So this will definitely be a separate project. Okay, so the heat does work, but it just blows extremely loud. I mean, extremely loud and hard. So this must be on 5. So yeah, so in another video, I'm gonna definitely fix this for him. The radio doesn't seem to be working. So yeah, I think there's a lot of things going on back here that I'm gonna try to fix for him. So this way his radio works, all this stuff right here works. He needs some gas. So he's got a lot of things wrong with this truck. It's extremely dusty, but you know, we're gonna do the best that we can. We're gonna do the best that we can in this truck. All right guys, let's go get these tires. All right guys, so as you can see, I'm at the Kyoto's tire shop. About to get the back 2 tires replaced. The front 2 are good. I got to get the back 2 replaced. So I'm here now. If you looked at some of my other videos, you've seen the prices that they got. They got tires, all different sizes. They can fix anything. I come to the shop all the time. It's right around the corner from my house, right here in Cypress, Texas. I'll put the link in the description below to this tire shop. These are the hours. So if you ever need tires and you're in the Cypress, Houston area, North Houston area, come check out this place. Hey man, what's up? Can I get some tires for that right there?
You know, I do have some in, but they're not going to be matching. I don't have any matching tires right now for that size.
They don't match?
No.
Are they cheaper?
I mean, it just depends how good they're, because I do have some that are almost brand new. If you take the best ones, you're looking about 140 on the best ones.
What about the cheapest ones? You got any for like 100?
Yeah, like $46.
Yeah. Can we do those? Yeah, they don't got a match. All right, so he's got two for I think like 46 each. I'm gonna call George right now and let him know. Hey, he said like 46 each.
That's fine.
And they don't match. That's all right?
Hold on.
George is at the gym.
I'm always at the gym.
He's always at the gym. He said they don't match though.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
As long as they're good. The front two don't match either.
Oh, okay. All right.
As long as they're, good enough. Like,
You said the front two match?
no, the front two don't.
Oh, okay.
As long as they're 20.
Okay.
Run the same thickness.
Okay.
Like that match. I want that to match.
Yeah, the thickness.
The brand don't matter.
Okay, all right, good. Yeah, so that's George. He said it's cool that they don't match. He's not tripping. Just as long as the thickness and everything else. So my guys here, they're gonna hook us up. Let's see what else they got. These two right here?
90 for both. Install, balance, everything.
Yeah, and they both the same height? You see, so they got the tires right there. They can balance, rotate them, everything. All right, George, so he said they're gonna balance, rotate them, everything for 90, but you know you gotta give tip, because every time you always gotta take care. My dad told me you gotta take care of two people. You gotta take care of your barber, and you gotta take care of your mechanic. It's not necessarily a mechanic, but it's a tire shop, and I always come here, so I always like to leave a tip. So he said 90 for both, balance and everything. They're gonna put them on the back, and then I'm gonna give them a tip, so it'll be 100 total. Yep, so that's the tires right there. They look good. They're used, but they look good. They're way better than what's on the car right now, so it's real, and it's about the rain, and I don't want to be driving around and be slipping all over. So he's already got tires on the front. We're gonna put some tires on the back. We're gonna take it to the car wash. We're gonna wash it down really, really, really good. Then we're gonna pull it in my garage, and we're gonna start to work on this truck. There's a lot of things, little things that we're gonna do to it to really, change it up. I can't wait. I'm so excited. But I got 24 hours. In fact, I got less than 24 hours because I don't know when you're coming back, George. So I'm trying to knock this out as soon as possible. Low fuel. George, I'm gonna put some gas in there for you, I promise. How much?
90.
100. Keep the change. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, we're all hooked up, so make sure you come back. If you ever need any tires. All right, guys, I'm all done. I'm all set. They hooked my truck up. If you ever need any tires, you're in the Cypress or North Houston area, make sure you guys come check out my shop. This place is crazy. They got great prices. You see, it was only 90 bucks for those two tires. I tipped them 10 because you always got to tip your tire shop and your mechanics and your haircut. Don't forget that. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna go over, put some gas in this thing. I'm gonna wash it, bring it home, put it in the garage, and we're gonna start the work. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're back. We got some goodies here, as you can see. Got a bunch of goodies that we're gonna put onto the truck. A bunch of, not necessarily put onto the truck, but a bunch of goodies that are gonna make the truck look a lot better. So I'm really excited. That's the truck right there. We're about to wash the baby. Yes, you're finally gonna get a wash. Guys, he hasn't washed this truck since he's owned it, and he's owned it for over 7 years. Like right around 7 years or a little bit over 7 years. This truck has never seen soap and water. It's only seen rainwater. So I can't wait to wash this truck, get a lot of this dirt and grime off of it. Shelly's actually on the way with some food, so I think I'm going to chow down real quick and then start on this truck, because I want to get everything that I need to do outside done, so cleaning and everything else, and then I can bring it in and then I can do everything in the garage. It's actually getting kind of chilly, so there's certain things that I don't want to do while it's cold or while I'm outside, just in case I'm doing something and then it decides to rain. So I need to hurry up, get this thing clean so I can pull it into the garage and start on it. So let's go ahead and do that. Hey, how you doing?
Are you recording?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, cool. I don't want to paint a video now.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
All right, that's the mailman. Got some new stuff. This right here is for the wheels, and I'm gonna have to spray each section, then scrub, and then spray each section. So let's go ahead and do that. Got Amazon always here. Amazon's always here.
Right?
Huh?
Strum on the right side. That's 23. 22. There you go.
All right, thank you very much. Another package. We always getting stuff here.
Zap.